Look at that huge stick.
You sure that's the best way to grab that stick, Jake?
You hear that, Brandon?
You are a strong dog. You know that.
Watch us, watch us.
Oh, he's such a strong dog.
Aw, he didn't do it this time. Bad doggy. Let's see him do it. Oh, I should have gotten Jake instead of the stick.
Man, he got a fetch it. I got to throw it. No wonder they say playing fetch is healthy for you. If your shoulder holds out, and then there it is.
Depends on the stick you use.
There's one of them.
Hard. There'll be another one.
He's so funny. He's so funny, doggy. He's so smart he don't want to let go.
Yeah, because you throw it back out there.
Throw it back in. No. No. Sit. Sit. Stay.
Good enough.
Now stay. Give me beat off. I should get beat off. I can't throw. No.
Jake!
Sit.
Sorry about yelling.
Sit. 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 And stay. Stay. I won't throw it. You ready?
I should be looking at the birds. That's just what he asked for. I can't get the birds right now.
I got snacks in the car. We got them beef cuts in the car. Stay. Stay. Jake, stay.
Now watch this.
Stay.
See that dog? He goes in fast as he can just to get that big old stick and drag it back. Wrong way. Hey, Jake. He's closer than it looks.
I need a big catapult.
Yeah, for this thing.
Like Wile E. Coyote has. I needed me one of them Acme giant catapults.
Yeah.
Send this thing out there.
Yeesh, I hate bugs. There's got one on me.
Sit. Jake, sit.
Sorry.
You're always pushing me over.
Yep,
Never give me no room.
push over.
Stay. Stay.
You see that take off? You okay? He fell.
Yeah. I think I'm pretty good with that footwork. You see that?
Yeah. They didn't though. Look at that.
Oh, he's a toughest doggy. He's the toughest doggy out here fetching.
Look at him chasing him. Be careful. Don't make him wait too long. He'll snap at you. Alright. And now is the throw. Jake!
Sit. Sit. Sit.
Sitting in the water.
Stay.
Good dog. He won't usually do that. He likes
hair,
to stick.
doggy.
Huh? Oh, air. I thought you said hair.
Yeah. Stay.
His tail's underwater. Unusual. He'll go before the stick will.
How good that footwork. Focus on my footwork. That's why I got new boots. That's why they told you in the back when you get
Sorry, I almost fell. That is what he's so good at. Except sometimes he won't give it. Look at him running, chasing him around.
He's the only dog you ever saw sit in the water.
Yep.
He's the only dog you ever saw sit in the water. Just so I threw that stick for him.
And here he does it again.
Just so I threw that stick for him.
This is such a long video. I just like watching.
Sit.
Do you think I should stop it? Oh, look, there's here. It's folded back.
Come on, you can sit.
Okay, never mind.
Stay.
Donations would be nice so we could get that mangy butt done. It's annoying.
Somebody ain't watching.
Poor doggy.
What's on your nose?
He doesn't like people touching his nose.
Ew, it was doggy slime. It's doggy slime. Stay.
Wow. Oh, look at that. He leaves awake.
I just can't throw that stick. It's too heavy.
He usually goes farther.
Get it out there. There ain't no good way to catch tonight anyway.
Don't see the shaking as much. Not shaking a whole lot anyway.
He's a good boy. See, one good thing about these big ones, I can't throw them so you ain't got to swim as far.
Yep.
I can't throw these big heavy ones so you ain't got to swim.
That's a big punch. Be careful, guys. He will hit you in the balls. Where is that dog? He got right in the grass. So annoying. I'll show up here in a second. There he is. There's my puppy.
See, I wish you wouldn't have it over the water.
Alright. See him on a log. Oi. Sorry. Now where is he? There he is.
Hey, look at some of these purple marks back here.
I don't know, birds somewhere.
Some of them are chimney swift. I've seen them coming out of the chimney of
Where? I can't find them. I'm no good with birdie shots. I'm good with doggy shots. They're bigger. I can find them. He fell in the water. Jeez. He's gonna be dragging.
Look at all of them over there.
You got a bag that stick up to shore. Look at him all wet. Bad doggy, he's getting tired.
Give it up. Don't want to give up that.
He wants to chew on it.
How can I do it if you don't bring it to me, kid?
And he has sunglasses on, so we're going to be leaving before dark, if he thinks it is dark.
Wahoo!
Look at that tail wagging in the water. Shouldn't be able to see the tail right now.
Believe it or not, it is dog. It is what we come for. Okay, thank you.
Isn't he such a big old happy doggy? I don't want to let go.
Thank you for bringing me the stick.
There you go, dog.
Don't fight me. I love my Jake, but I gotta teach him. It's my stick. Every day. Don't I gotta teach him every day. It's my stick. Don't hurt yourself on the rocks now.
He's already halfway there when it hits the water. Sometimes he has to turn.
Pretty good throw, huh? Alright, good doggy.
Better than some of those ones.
Over here, Pascal. Can you see past that stick?
No.
Can you see past that big stick?
I'm gonna stop taping now. So, yeah, bye.